By the end of this video, you'll have answers on why sexuality is important when other people are asking you why it matters to you. I'm Amanda Pasciucco. I'm a certified sex therapist. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell to see new videos. Stay until the end if you want an e-guide on how to communicate even better when it comes to your sexual needs. Sexual energy is the life force energy. Literally, sometimes it creates life. So if you're dealing with something that sometimes creates actual life, that's something powerful and it's important. So also, sexuality is important because there are times where pleasure is not considered important, and sex is all about pleasure usually. It's often about adult playfulness and pleasure. We can heal through pleasure as well. This video is really about why sexuality is so important as an individual and in general. So if you think about sexuality and you think about how things are for you, are you shaming your sexuality? Are you thinking about it? Are you proud of it? Are you compulsive towards it? Start thinking about sexuality and separate out what you want to have as your sexual life from the life that you actually have sexually right now. In sex, you get to learn about who you are and you get to powerfully identify with that. Some people find a lot of power in saying they're a switch, others a femdom, others a slave. So these are terms within the sexuality community that can be used as a way to understand your sexual identities and the roles you want to use. Whether it's in solo sex or partnered sex, you can bring different inner aspects with you to have more pleasure in your life. What are you most proud of in terms of your sexuality? What else is very cool about sexuality and very important is that most people you know will not know you in a sexual way. It's something that is sacred or intimate between few people. So when there's sexual connection, often people want to know about it because they know it's important and they know it's different. Sexuality and who you slept with automatically puts people on a higher level. It's like, who are you roommates with? Who are you partnered with? Who have you slept with? These are all important questions in society when people ask them. And last but not least, sexuality is important because it is a form of adult play that involves being sober. It doesn't involve drinking or doing drugs to get to. Yes, you can do drugs and drink while having sex. However, it's a form of adult play that doesn't need that. When you have two people who are attracted to each other and aroused by one another in a room and they're open to explore that, that type of play is pleasuring and pleasure is healing. Thus, sexuality is so important. Thank you so much for staying until the end. Get this giveaway as a thank you just for watching. And if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell. I release new videos Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then, and thank you for watching.